The hormone testosterone is an important player in your body's ability to build muscle. A lack of testosterone can lead to a decrease in muscle mass, bone density, and the ability to physically function at a normal level. Fortunately, there are several natural ways you can boost your testosterone levels without resorting to steroid injections. 1. Realize that weight loss does not always equal increased health. Weight loss, in some cases, may actually hinder healthy testosterone levels by suppressing the secretion of luteinizing hormone, LH. Studies have shown that overweight men who lose weight may experience a dramatic drop in testosterone production, while leaner men may experience an increase in T production. Dr. Calorelli says, the cause of this is unknown, but it may be that lower body fat levels signal the pituitary gland to produce more LH. 2. Choose breakfast cereals with whole grains rather than refined sugar for prolonged energy rather than short-term sugar highs. You'll have a more even blood sugar over the course of the day, and it will also help to control your appetite. Also get a full night's sleep each night. Sleep helps to regulate testosterone levels, as well as increase memory retention and brain functioning. 3. Replace white potatoes, refined carbohydrates, and sugary snacks with whole foods that are high in fiber, such as leafy green vegetables. These are natural testosterone boosters, and they will keep your blood sugar stable, which in turn can help you avoid mood swings and energy crashes. Bioidentical hormones are available without a prescription through your physician, although no one should rely on hormone supplementation to counteract the effects of aging. They aren't as expensive as you might imagine. 4. Find a stress reliever that works for you. Stress is the body's way of telling you something needs to change, but rather than listening to your body's needs, many people bury themselves in their work or turn to unhealthy pastimes like alcohol abuse. Learning how to manage stress can help prevent weight gain and boost your overall health. You might become a more active participant in your exercise routine if you take your fitness seriously. If you want to be a more active participant, try finding a sport that appeals to you. Many people find that they improve their cardiovascular fitness by playing sports such as soccer, basketball, or racquetball. 5. Do not smoke. Smoking can increase the risk of heart disease and lower testosterone levels, even if you do it only occasionally. Also, quitting smoking can take weeks to reduce these effects, and a long-term study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that those who quit were still at a higher risk for heart disease and death than those who continued to smoke. 6. Take zinc supplements. Zinc is important for testosterone production, but it can be difficult to absorb from the food you eat. Take a supplement that is well formulated for your needs. Focus on healthy eating, getting good quality sleep, and keeping stress at bay. Some of these may sound easy to do, but they can make all the difference in your testosterone levels. 7. Follow the Mediterranean diet if you want to boost your testosterone levels naturally. This diet emphasizes whole, fresh foods and promotes a slow pace of eating. It also enforces physical exercise and moderation in alcohol consumption. 8. Do meditation. A study conducted in 2013 shows that meditation has significant health benefits. The findings suggest that a consistent meditation practice helps people suffering from anxiety, stress, depression, and insomnia to better manage their symptoms. The participants in the study were asked to practice a specific form of meditation called transcendental meditation, and another control group practiced relaxation techniques. Participants who practiced meditation had 33% less stress, as well as 37% lower anxiety and 46% decreased depression than the control group. With all these tips, we hope you'll increase your health and testosterone level. Don't hesitate to tell us your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.